welcome to our channel, you guys. It's so good to have you guys here. I just wanted to share with you how it was that we created the Father's Day card. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and demonstrate and show you how it is that I made it. This was actually an experiment that actually went really right. So all we did was just go in with the black paper and get some crayons. I wanted to go with more of a galactic space feature card. That was the aim, and I feel that it kind of just did that. So I've got my crayons. These are actually crayons. We actually made donut crayons previously, and I just thought I'd just use those crayons. It actually has bits of glitter inside them as well, so I just kind of wanted to see what that would do in terms of making this picture look real. So I'm just going to go in with my glue gun and I'm just going to glue the back of the donut crayons, making sure that they're quite secure. Now I'm just going to glue them purely because this is going to be quite messy and probably will melt and go everywhere. I'm obviously going to use a cardboard box just to kind of help contain the mess. So if it kind of does go everywhere, it's not too bad. Keeping in mind I'm giving my hairdryer to my daughter, which kids can be a little bit messy, so just making sure that everything is covered. So that's me showing you the hairdryer. I'm just going to hand it over to my daughter and just see what happens. So yeah, I'm going to just let you guys watch how we did this experiment. I feel it came out so lovely, but it's just so lovely to watch. And I hope this helps and inspires someone out there to make a picture like this themselves. If you do like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. We'd love to have you on board. And also go ahead and check out our last videos. We do lots of arts and craft ideas, and that's just kind of our jam at the minute. So yeah, we will see you hopefully in the next video.